Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on cartooning. And today I'd like to show you one of the most popular animal types of cartoons. It's the wolf. Kind of mangy wolf, but it's a wolf. Start off with this kind of flat oval. And we'll bring this down here and the kind of forehead bridge of the nose. Bring this out and bring it down like this. Up, out, see that? Down here. And we'll bring the kind of mangy quality here. It's all very light. We'll fix it up later. And bring it down here. So we'll give him a nose like this. Kind of a, well, not a great nose. Not your award-winning pedigree wolf. He's going to be your mangy wolf, which is kind of a fun character. It's a popular character type. And we'll give him a long and kind of lean neck. Now let's give him a couple of eyes that are close together. Goofy eyes are close together, and this guy's going to be goofy. So I will erase this part here. See that? So they can still be together like that. There's no interference. Now let's have them kind of looking straight out. And this one kind of I don't know, not just quite straight ahead. Kind of have this kind of goofy look about him, and then we'll give him a little smile line right here, a little smile crease. Up here, and then up here, and this creates the muzzle area where you have all those little whiskers, like this. And we can erase down here and build out a little bit of a chin. See that? Let's bring this down a little more here. And let's bring this ear back, kind of skinny ear, and fuzzy top of the head. Let's have nice, thick eyebrows, draw some attention to themselves. And we will then put the other one here. We'll fill that in a little bit with shadow. Okay, here is my trusty marker, and I'm going to try to finish this up. Be very careful with the eyes if they're looking good, and don't go fast at the end. Okay, that's one. Again, this is a super goofy one. Basically, they're on the same side of the head, and he'll stare over this way. And this one's kind of straight ahead, so it's like kind of funny stare. They're not quite focused. Here is the eyebrow. Here is the other eyebrow. Nice and thick. Let's get that smile crease in here and bring that way in to the front, which is the muzzle area right here. Bring that nose in, and that also comes here for the front of the nose, the bridge of the nose really, into this black nose area here, where I'm going to color it in. And the chin, a little bit of a chin, some whiskers. Let's flop the hair down here. I'm actually going to bring this neck down here a little bit. Make it a little goofier. Hold on. I think that'll work. Forehead right here. And the back ear. And this one, which we'll shade in a little more. Like this. Add shadow over here, and we're going to add some shadow over here, and also in the front here in the bridge nose and forehead area. Alright, so that's kind of a crazy little wolf cartoon. Hey, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I have new videos all the time. I'm really delighted to have you today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.